Hi guys, after reviewing a couple of wireless IP cameras, wireless security camera, we have one more camera over here. It's a panoramic camera. It's built in a bulb. Yes, it's built in a bulb. Let's see what we have inside. First of all, we have a user manual, and here it's a bulb. It's a normal bulb, LED bulb with V380 connection, and over here in tip of the bulb you can see there is a camera. We have a reset button over here, we have memory card slot over here, we have mic over here, and to configure this camera we have a user QR code and username and password. We are giving a spare screws to mount the holder is just over here, so you can just mount it to a holder. If you have a E27 connector or if you have different connector, you can just change it with that. So it's easy to install and easy to configure. Now we are going to see how we can configure with our Android and iOS mobile phones. Okay guys, let's see how we can configure this camera to our Android phone. First of all, we need to start this camera, and we have this adapter over here. Okay, so let's see this camera over here. So you can see over here it's a red light, and it will also give you a voice notification like it's booting up until this is a message. So we have to download application called V380. Go to your Play Store and just type over here V380 camera app. So you can see this is the top one, and just click open over here. We already installed. So this is the main screen of the application. This is the main screen of your application. This is the main screen of your application. You need to register your email ID over here. So click register, enter your email ID. Next step, you have to generate the password. It will give you confirmation on your email. Once you register yourself, enter the password over here. So you can see over here it's access point quick configuration, search a device. But what we need to do, we have to configure this camera by using our mobile phone Wi-Fi. So it will be easy and it's the quickest way to configure it. Go to your Wi-Fi. So you can see over here this is a MV29537050. It's a camera. Click over here. So it's giving, if you give you notification like it's connected. Okay, go back to your application. Now you can press access point quick configuration. So it will give you that camera already over here. Just click over here, and it will ask you to join a Wi-Fi, your local Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi or office Wi-Fi. Click your Wi-Fi, enter the Wi-Fi password. Okay, so it will be searching over here, and it will connecting like it will give command connecting with your Wi-Fi. Camera will connect with your Wi-Fi. Make sure your Wi-Fi router, your camera and your mobile phone in the range, like must be in the range, closest. It will give you this confirmation via voice confirmation. It's Wi-Fi connected. Means your camera is connected with your local Wi-Fi. Now you can see over here. It's online. Just click on play. So you will get live feed. So it's not like right now they are giving us a like security notice like password is not set for this camera. So set the password. If you want to change username, you can also change your username. and make sure the password will be 3 to 60 character like alphanumeric. Click confirm. You can get message. So once you configure, just click on play. It will take you to the live feed. Okay, so we have a couple of settings over here. If you want audio from this camera, you can just click over here. And if you want to speak from your phone to the camera, you can just hold this mic button. So you can take a snapshot over here. You can change the setting, but it's a bulb camera, so we can't tilt it. If you have multiple camera, you can just change way of view from here. Okay, and from this function light, we can just turn it on and off, and maybe it's auto. Now let's see what configuration, email configuration, which we can set from here. So if you want to set up like network setting, recording setting, date and time setting, alarm setting, so you can do this from application. Like go to device, you can check network. Like if you want to change your Wi-Fi, you can change it from here. If you want to do recording setting, like it's in auto recording, and do you want to do like a certain time of recording? First of all, that you require a SD card. Without SD card, they can't give you this configuration like option over here. Once you insert your SD card, you can see there is the option is disabled right now. Then after you insert the SD card, it's enabled, so you can set the time and date over here for recording. Date and time, this normal date and time, like time zone, you can change it over here from here. Alarm setting, so you can set also alarm over here. Like you can set all day alarm. You can set a custom time alarm. Like if you are working in an office, you can set after office hours alarm. You can do it. You can set also alarm area as well. Like it's a motion sensor, so you can just click over here. Like whatever it's cover, it will give you alarm. Like red means alarm, gray means not targeted. Yeah, and if you require alarm sound over here, it will also give you alarm sound. There is a two language, Mandarin and English. You can get the prompt reply from that language. And after configuring the network, like if you already configured the network with your Wi-Fi, and if it's successfully, then you can view this camera anywhere from the world. Like if you are in USA and you just want to see what's happening back home, you can just view from this application. No require on same network, no require anything. You just require this user device ID and username and password for the camera. That's it. So it will be easy access. Just now we set up an alarm from here for just testing purpose. So you can see like if we wave a hand over here, and if someone came on this range, it will give you a sound notification just right now, which is so this is a basic settings and very useful setting for this camera. So you can configure this easily on your Android application and your iPhone application as well. You can use anywhere from the world. Just make sure you connect this device with your home Wi-Fi successfully. Then you can use from anywhere. Thank you.